A new AI video model just dropped, and it is claiming to be the best in the world. You type a sentence. A few seconds later, out comes a finished, moving shot. No camera, no crew, no editor. This is Seedance 2.5 from ByteDance, and ByteDance says it is the new king of video. But king of what, exactly? Because it is walking straight into a ring with Sora, Kling, and Veo. So is it actually the best, or just the loudest? That is the whole question. Here is its first big swing. 30 seconds of video in a single pass, no stitching little clips together. You can feed it up to 50 references, characters, a voice, a style, and it keeps them all consistent. And the sound is generated with the picture, dialogue, and effects locked in sync. On the public leaderboard where humans vote blind, ByteDance already sits at number 1, ahead of everyone. But there is a catch, a big one. 2.5 is not even out yet, so let me show you what is real and what is hype. First, the facts. ByteDance previewed Seedance 2.5 on June 23, 2026, at its Volcano Engine conference. Previewed, not launched. It is in a private beta with a public release aimed at early July. So what is genuinely new? Really three things: longer clips, a lot more references, and much tighter prompt following, about 20% better than the last version. Start with length. Most models give you 5 to 10 seconds. Then you splice. Seedance generates a full 30 seconds in one continuous shot. It can even change scene and tempo inside that single clip. Then references. The old version took about 12 inputs. This one takes up to 50. Images, video, audio. So a character, a product, a voice all stay consistent across the whole scene. And control. With targeted editing, you can swap a background, a product, or a subject while keeping the original motion, camera move, and lighting exactly the way they were. Edit the shot, not the prompt. And like the best of its rivals, the audio is not bolted on afterwards. Picture and sound are generated together, so lips, footsteps, and effects actually line up. Now the honest part. That headline 4K number, it is reported, not confirmed. It may be carried over from the 2.0 line, and there is no public price yet. Treat the spec sheet as a preview, not a receipt. So where does it actually rank? On artificial analysis, real people watch 2 clips and vote for the better one, and ByteDance Seedance tops both boards, text to video and image to video. Here is the twist. That number 1 score belongs to Seedance 2.0. 2.5 has not been independently tested at all. Now the rivals. Start with the famous one, Sora from OpenAI. Sora 2 brought stunning physics and that viral app where you drop yourself into a clip. But here is the plot twist almost nobody mentions. OpenAI is shutting Sora down. The app closed in April and the API goes dark in September. The king everyone compares to is quietly leaving the throne. The real challenger is Kling. From Kuaishou, it is already on version 3 with native 4K. Synced audio and lip sync in 5 languages, and it is cheap, roughly 8 cents a second. On the leaderboard, Kling sits right behind ByteDance. This is the actual title fight. Then Google Veo. Veo 3.1 has the most cinematic, believable look of the bunch with gorgeous 48 kHz sound, and it lives inside Gemini and Flow. It is the safe enterprise pick, but on raw preference, it has slipped to the middle of the pack, and the field is getting crowded fast. Alibaba is surging up the charts. XAI has Grok Video, Runway, Luma, and Hailuo all have strong models. The pattern is hard to miss. The best value in AI video is coming out of Chinese labs right now, so lay them side by side. Seedance wins on length and references. Kling wins on price and sheer resolution. Veo wins on cinematic polish and audio design. And Sora, the one with the best physics, is on its way out. There is no single king. There is a leader on each axis, and money matters more than the demos admit. A second of fast Seedance can cost about 2 cents. The cinematic tier runs closer to 25. Kling undercuts almost everyone, while premium Veo with audio can hit 75 cents a second. For real projects, price decides as much as quality. So who should care about each one? Pick Seedance when you need long, consistent, multi-reference shots. Pick Kling for cheap, high-resolution volume. Pick Veo when the look has to feel like real cinema. The right model depends on the job, not the headline, and the stakes are huge. AI video is already close to $1 billion market this year, growing toward 3+ billion with over 100 million people generating clips every month. Whoever wins this does not win a benchmark, they win an industry, which is why Sora bowing out matters so much. The story of 2026 is the crown sliding east. The labs setting the pace on quality per dollar are now ByteDance, Alibaba, and Kuaishou, not the company that made this whole category famous. But stay skeptical with me. 2.5 is unbenchmarked. The price is unknown. The 4K claim is unconfirmed, and these rankings shuffle week to week. A flashy launch demo is a promise, not proof. So, is Seedance 2.5 the new king? Honestly, ByteDance already wears the crown on the public arena, and 2.5 looks built to stretch that lead. But the crown that counts is the one independent testers place on your head, and that one has not been weighed yet. Today it is the favorite, not yet the proven champion, so remember 4 things. Seedance 2.5 is a preview, not a product. ByteDance leads the arena, but with the older model. Sora is leaving, and Kling is the one truly chasing, and the cheapest path to great video now runs through China. If this made the video model race finally make sense, subscribe. Aura Labs breaks down one of these every week. I will see you in the next one.